Today you're going to go to the Cram school?
Yes.
And what do you study there?
Math.
Math for how long?
3
hours? Wait, you go. How many days a week you go to Cram school?
2 days.
2 days. And what do you study?
English and math.
And math. And what about her? What does she study?
Chinese and math.
And she goes every day?
No, twice a week.
Twice a week. And what about you?
The same.
Same. Okay.
Yeah.
And do most of your friends go to Cram schools?
Yes.
It's common. Your student, he's going to the Cram school tonight?
Yeah.
How many hours?
About 4 hours.
4 hours for you every day, or
No. Two times per week.
2 times per week? And you're going tonight 4 hours?
Yes. He's my friend.
Oh, and what do you study?
Songsan Senior High School.
Oh, okay. But what subjects do you study tonight?
English.
English, only English? Heading into another Cram school, and you can see a lot of the kids filing in. And these are all a lot of Cram schools here?
Yes, the middle part of this.
Middle part, there's a Cram school, there's another Cram school.
White sky and the yellow one.
The yellow one's a Cram school.
Yeah, and that white one.
The white one down there is another Cram school.
And another red one there.
Every day you study now.
Only on weekend I will.
Oh, you go to the Cram schools on the weekends?
Yes.
And for how long?
For how maybe 4 hours.
4 hours Saturday. What about Sunday?
Same.
Same on Sunday.
Yes.
And what do you study there? English?
Math and English.
Math and English. You and your friend are headed to a Cram school, right?
Yeah.
And how long are you going to go for?
We usually go home like around 10.
10 o'clock tonight.
Yeah.
So you have 4 hours
Yeah.
in Cram. What are you going to study tonight?
Math.
Math. What type of math?
High school.
High school math,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
very kind of advanced? Well, just more math.
Just the school.
But let me ask you, after going to school all day and studying 4 hours math, does it get like hard to think after a while?
You mean when I...
To concentrate after doing so much academics?
You get used to it.
You
so-
get used to it.
Yeah.
Wow. So then you're going to go home, and do you have homework when you get home?
I usually don't do stuff after I go to Cram school.
Okay.
But I know many of my classmates who...
They do.
Yeah.
And then they have like an hour homework. And what time do you normally get to bed?
When I have Cram school, like 11.
11 at night.
Yeah.
Wow. And what about your friend? How long is she going tonight for? How long does she have Cram school for?
She has math. She has the same
With
class.
the same class? Again, look at the kids filing in, lining up at the elevator, waiting to get on. There's more coming in. There's more coming in. You're waiting in line, and all these kids just have to get something to eat really quick, right? Because they have to go over to the Cram school. And how many hours are you going to cram tonight for?
3 hours.
How many?
3 hours.
3 hours. What do you study?
English.
And how many days a week do you do that?
Once a week.
Once a week. And what about her? What is she going to study?
Science.
Science. How many days a week?
Once a week.
Once a week, that's it. How about Saturdays? Do you go on Saturdays? For how long? 3 hours. Here's another Cram school here. And here's another one, right?
Yeah.
English Language Institute.
Yeah, two.
And there's another one.
English.
And there's a TOEFL one. And here's a GMAT one. And I don't know. They're this place called hebook.com. And this is just a study place, right?
Only study.
And it's got like air conditioning, a really small cubicle. And I asked my translator here, I said, why don't they go home? And I guess the parents would rather them be here, right?
Yeah.
Because why? Because they think at home they have too many distractions.
Yeah.
The computer.
Or television or
Right.
comic books. Something.
So they rent this, rent a space in the evening so they can study. This real quick. So this is outside the Cram school. And so show me this real quick.
and this one?
This is like an advertisement of all the kids,
Yeah.
successful ones.
Yeah.
that have graduated here. So what does the first part mean?
This is for the kid's name,
Right, that's their name.
and this is what they have studied into the
Okay.
university. And
The university got into?
Yeah.
And what else?
And this one is their original high school.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow. So this shows you, this is like an advertisement of how great this cram school is.
Yeah.
And look what these kids did, right? And look at this. You got it here, and you got it down there, and you've got it here. As many as they can possibly put on the wall. You can see the kids are filing in. There's the administration center of the cram school. And this is what you're going to, how many hours tonight are you studying in the cram school? How many hours?
你今天晚上大概上多久补习班？
4 hours. Every day or 2 days a week? Every day, 4 hours. What do you study tonight?
今天读什么科目？
科吧。
Math for 4 hours. And what about you? What do you study tonight?
English.
English, 4 hours. Wow. How about you? What do you study tonight?
Math and geography and science.
3 hours or 4?
4.